Welcome to the only pub where we don't sell beer. We sell yaqona, big cadence. Friday night I walking slow. Neon lights, but the vibe stay low. No beer tag, no whiskey line, just one bilo. Standing time is Kuruyani, low money pop. Tagalala, but I still show up. Oi bro, one more please. Yaqona calling, bring me peace. Stay, no fight, no stress, no rush tonight. Everybody moving island time. Slow motion, heavy eyes, but the vibe stay high. Vibe again. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, island pop. Buy one bilo, pass it round, show some love. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, Fiji style. Not drunk, but my eyes won't smile. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, bulade. One more bilo coming my way. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, bulade. One more bilo coming my way. Itiko na uncle, itiko na auntie. Young ones learning slowly. Stories start with back in the day, end up laughing anyway. Guitar crying softly in the back. Oi, this makes too strong, relax. Yaqona heavy like the tide, but my heart feel light inside her. Segani bia, segani room, but we still singing boom, boom, boom. From the village to the town, same brown bow going round. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, island pop. Mine not a rap, mine not town, same love. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, slow it down. Yaqona vibe, no falling down. Love, Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, bulade. One more bilo coming my way. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, bulade. One more bilo coming my way. Who drank too much? Not me, bro. Why your eyes half closed? It's the yaqona, yo. Bilo small, but the power strong. Sitting here till the morning come. One more round, everyone say. Even though nobody can stand anyway. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, Fiji it's pub. From Suva town to the village. Gunu Koko, Gunu Koko, roots and culture. IslandReggae, natural pressure man.